Let's move beyond simple handlers. Imagine an enterprise workflow. Order placed, payment reserved, inventory allocated, shipment booked, email sent, multiple systems, independent teams. What coordinates this? The naive solution is a central orchestrator that calls everything synchronously. That destroys decoupling. It reintroduces tight coupling under a new name. In event-driven systems, coordination should emerge through sagas. Each service performs its step and emits an event. The next service reacts. State advances through events, not calls. There are two saga styles: choreography. Services react to each other's events. No central brain. Orchestration. A coordinator manages progress. Both are valid, if used intentionally. Use choreography when the workflow is simple, loosely coupled, and steps are autonomous. Event grid broadcasts state changes. Each capability reacts independently. Use orchestration when workflow state must be explicit. Retries across steps, compensation rules, human approvals. This is where durable functions or logic apps belong. Durable functions implement Saga orchestration in code. Workflow state is persisted outside the handler, allowing recovery after failure. They coordinate fan-out and fan-in and handle long-running retries. A common enterprise pattern: orchestrator emits parallel tasks, waits for all responses, aggregates results, continues. Durable functions handle this natively. Logic apps excel when integration spans SaaS systems, human approvals, compliance checkpoints, or when visibility is required by non-developers. Declarative workflows, built-in connectors, governance visible. Human approval steps introduce time uncertainty. Durable functions and logic apps both support waiting for external input, but choose based on governance and integration needs, not habit. Distributed systems cannot roll back globally. They compensate. If shipment fails after payment reservation, emit a compensating event to release payment. Compensation is forward recovery, not undo. Never let orchestration live in the broadcast layer. Coordination must sit behind responsibility boundaries, most commonly behind service bus queues. Each business capability owns its queue, its handler, and its compensation logic: grid signals, bus owns, orchestrator coordinates. Azure's enterprise pattern looks like this. Events broadcast awareness. Queues establish ownership. Orchestrators coordinate multi-step workflows. Compensation preserves consistency. That is scalable coordination without coupling. Enterprise EDA is not about removing coordination. It is about placing coordination intentionally and keeping broadcast, responsibility, and orchestration distinct.